Hey guys, how's it going? Keenagan here, we're back. It's been a couple hours. The wood putty has gone ahead and dried, so it's nice and hard. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to do this first resin pour. I'm really excited and I'm hoping that there's no leaks. Like I said in my earlier video, I wasn't sure if anyone had ever done it this way. This probably isn't the correct way to do this. If we pour this out and it just goes everywhere, well then this will be a how not to pour resin video. But the resin I'm using has a 30-minute work time, and then it's supposed to have a fast cure in 4 hours and then a full cure in 12 to 48 hours. And then I've got some liquid colorant here for resin. I'm going to be doing like a blue and a green. It's going to be a pond. I just got these in, so hopefully everything goes according to plan. I'm very excited to see how this goes. I hope you liked my last video where I got everything prepared and set up. Just gonna shake these up, make sure they're all good, that there's no chunks. And then got a nice little vise with a measuring cup, and got a DeWalt, just a standard drill with a paint mixer attachment. We're gonna go ahead and go at it, and hopefully this works and it looks good. Now, I'm not going to fill it all the way up to the top or anything. I still have plans for what's going to go into the center of the pond. I just want this to go ahead and like seal off where the bottom is. That way when I flip it over and I make a nice base for the piece, it doesn't go through. And you'll be seeing that in my upcoming videos. Once again, I'm sorry for all the car noise. There's not too much I can do about it. I tried editing it out in my first video a little bit. Hopefully this second one it's not as bad. Leave a comment down there and let me know what you think. Now with my resin, it's supposed to be a 1-to-1 ratio of resin to hardener, and then you just add a couple droplets of colorant and then you mix it up. It's supposed to be 3 to 7 minutes depending on how much per volume. This one I'm going to go and be doing just a normal 5 minutes, but I think I'm going to try to edit out the drill noise. I don't know how loud it's going to be. So if it doesn't seem like it's that long, then I think it might have been a little too loud. Once again, sorry for all the car noise. And anyways, getting back to the drill, if it's too loud, alright, and we're back. So, little editor's note there, it was too loud. And I did end up cutting out the 5 minutes in between, which is probably good because you guys didn't want to hear that anyways and just spend 5 minutes watching me mix resin. If you do want to see that, let me know. I will release the unedited portion of that and let me know what you think. But this turned out a great color, and I'm very happy with it. So far, no leaks. That's good. Now I'm just gonna try to smear it around a little bit, where those cracks and those edges are. And then we're gonna go ahead and just let this sit. That's gonna be it. Let it go ahead and cure, and we'll keep an eye on it. And then tomorrow I'll come out here and we'll go ahead and do another pour. Let's see how it looks. Or I might put more in there. Not quite sure yet. I got 30 minutes, so why not, right? Anyways, I hope you liked the video. I hope that you are enjoying my new project. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and let me know what you think. Have a good one, guys.